Today's tip is all around pre-thanking. Hey? No, you heard that right, pre-thanking. Most people haven't heard of it, but it is beautiful. Now, you've probably heard of gratitude lists, and they're awesome, and I encourage those. But to take your gratitude to a whole other level, what I want you to start doing is thank the universe for that which you have not yet received. You're pre-thanking the universe. For example, I am so happy and grateful for being my happy shape and size. I am so grateful for feeling healthy, happy and free. From the moment your feet hit the floor in the morning, pre-thank the universe. Just say thank you. Start your day grateful, pause during the day for a couple of pre-thanking moments. Honestly, we all have much for which to be grateful. So pre-thank your way to your happy shape and size. I hope you found that useful. I'll see you next week. Bye.